Natural gas last week traded with little swings. We have seen it moving towards the lows at 3.05. At the same time, we have seen a good bounce back and recovery where we have seen the price moving all the way towards 3.3. And yes, it has closed the week in green at 3.23 levels. So, is it the time when you can confirm that natural gas is ready for a breakout move? Are we looking forward to a move towards 3.6 or in fact higher levels? Or the retracement is over and wait for a breakdown from here? What should be our strategy in order to profit trading natural gas in the coming week? We're gonna see here with the help of charts and indicators. This is a weekly forecast, and I do share my daily update for natural gas very early in the day with the Asia and Europe session. Subscribe, press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. Towards the end of the update, I'll be sharing the trading levels, so watch till the end. So let's have a look at the weekly charts. What's happening on the weekly charts? Drop, retracement, drop, retracement. It is on a retracement journey, that is clear here. If you connect the highs, if you connect the lows, you can find out this is still staying bearish as long as it stays below $4 levels. Very, very important. Now let's focus on the last few weeks. You can find out, see, after delivering higher highs, you can say it is still respecting the lows. That is very, very crucial, because see, last week it could have given a breakout after delivering a pullback candle, but indeed what we had seen, a move on the upside right from the lows and a good pullback. Now if you connect the last two candles, though the closing of the candle is in green, it is pretty crucial for natural gas to now trade beyond 3.3 and 3.4 zone, only and only if, or rather I'll say, in fact, once it trades beyond 3.3, you can expect it to move towards 3.45, 3.5, and in fact 3.6 levels. Coming week is very crucial for natural gas. The direction it takes in the coming week might remain the direction for next few weeks. With the onset of winter, definitely there could be a possible up move here, which could be expected. But right now we have to wait for it to break beyond the critical resistance zone between 3.35, 3.45. It has to trade beyond these levels in order to confirm the next move. Another interesting observation here is the moving averages, which are on the verge of a crossover for sell. These have come together. It is not that it cannot start to diverge, but right now, see, the median of the Bollinger Bands also looking downwards. The moving averages are also convergent here. The 3.3, 3.35, 3.45 zone is a crucial zone for natural gas to break beyond. Stochastic at the top. The MACD, if you see on the weekly charts, though it is not that it cannot rise further, see, after a good bullish move here, it has retraced, and now this is on the path of convergence here. Coming week again is crucial, where it will set the base for a crossover. And this time, once natural gas crosses over, this is going to begin the next round of bull run here, where we are going to see straight bullishness, where we are going to see more greener candles than red candles in the near to mid term, that is 3 to 6 months here. And thus, let's wait for this to cross over. Let's wait for the prices to trade beyond 3.45, 3.6, and then 3.8 levels. More bullishness will prevail beyond that. The RSI is starting to look upwards, supportive sign for further bullishness. Coming to daily, on the daily charts, one observation here is, see, yes, it is forming a head and shoulders here. At the same time, it is forming a good base here at 3.05. Now, I have mentioned and discussed this several times, till 2.97 is not taken on the downside. You should not be treating natural gas as bearish. It is bearish only and only if you see natural gas prices trading below 2.97, and specifically not only trading below 2.97 but closing on the daily basis below 2.97. Whenever it does so, you can expect that this is the beginning of next round of downtrend, which is going to take it towards 2.8, 2.6, or in fact 2.5 levels here. So yes, it is not yet confirming of a proper or real bearishness. Look at the move here: rise, pullback, rise, pullback, rise. It can show you a pullback, but we have to wait. We have to wait. It is not yet confirming so. And in the coming week, a move beyond 3.3 should be a very good indication that we are ready for 3.35, 3.4, 3.45. And beyond 3.45, 3.6 here. Let's wait. Let's wait for gas to deliver a breakout here. Moving averages just crossed over, trading with moderate bullishness. 3.15 is one such support. It has to trade below, then 3.1, 3.0705, and then 3, 2.97. Crucial supports on the downside exist here. It is definitely going to be difficult for gas to breach past these support levels. And when you see that gas has breached this support, definitely it's a clear, real bearish indication. Also notice the coming week, the opening of natural gas is going to be very crucial. If it opens with a bullish move here, if it opens with a gap up, we are ready for a round of rally here. Now, on the 4 hour, one crucial observation, the resistance it is getting from 3.28, 3.3. It is not that it cannot break out, but definitely the resistance is getting strengthened here. The more time it is spent here uh, suggests that it is not willing to break out. Second thing here is, see, despite it giving a breakout of this bearish channel, it is yet to trade beyond the highs here, that is 3.3, 3.35 zone. So now rise retracement, rise pullback, it has shown a pullback. It is possible that once the next week starts, and if you see it is staying beyond 3.25, 3.28, 3.3 levels, stay bullish. It is going to deliver another breakout move here. Moving averages crossed over, these are trading bullish. Stochastic has seen a good dip here. Now, stochastic here is looking downwards, which is a slight bearish indication. Also, look at the MACD, it is delivering waves with lower highs. A crossover here might mean another bearish wave here. Let's wait for the opening of the week, which would decide the direction it wants to take. The RSI has seen a good hit here, it has dropped strongly and now trading comfortably. Coming to the monthly chart. Now, when you look at the monthly chart, see, look at the move which natural gas is shown here. Right from $10, we have seen a drop towards $2, a retracement towards 4, a drop below 2, a rise or a hike towards $5 levels towards the beginning of the year. Yes, it appears that it might try to, because see, when you look at the year 2025, where it is started, or you can see it is started at $4 levels, it is closed at 3, the very first month of this 2025, and since then it has shown a good bullish move here. Now it might try to erase the losses from this year, which means for the next 2 to 3 months gas prices would like to cover up the move towards $4 levels. That is what is my expectation. Now, important here is going to be where it closes the current month, because see, since these 3 to 4 bearish candles, this should become a reversal sign. This could be the first bullish candle, and when the next month starts, we're gonna see a move towards 3.8, 4, and beyond 4, 4.2. If at all, on the monthly basis, whenever natural gas closes above 4.2, that will be the indication for a move towards 5, towards 6. Yes, it can give you a rally from those levels. The moving averages on the monthly charts are running parallel. It is very crucial for gas to trade beyond 3.6, 3.8, and 4. Once it trades beyond 4, it's definitely a long-term reversal. Look at also the stochastic on the monthly charts. Whenever it gets oversold, it tries to bounce back. The MACD, if you see, it is crossed over at the bottom, trading with moderate bullishness. It is converged here and now ready to take the up move here. The RSI almost staying flat. So now, considering this, time for me to give you the trading levels and strategy for the coming week. And before I provide you the trading levels, if you are willing to learn this art of trading, be a part of my mentorship batch. The 34th batch commenced last week. Dates for 35th batch are already announced. Be a part of it. Reserve your seats now itself. Reach out to me for details. My Telegram and email IDs are there in the channel and video description. Those looking forward to just trade as per the signals can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. Reach out to me for queries, and it is also equally important for you to have a trusted partner which offers you a Sep-3 account, lowest spreads, no hidden charges, easier transactions, and easier withdrawals from across the globe. You can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. So very simple, you can buy at 3.25 itself in the coming week. Expect 3.28, 3.3. First target 3.35, 3.4. Once it trades beyond 3.4, stay bullish for 3.44, and then 3.5, 3.6. Ideally, beyond 3.45, we are looking at 3.6, 3.8, and 4 in the next few weeks. You have to be cautious. This is natural gas. It can do wonders in a single week, in a single day. We have seen 20% rise, and we have seen a 20% drop as well. Hence, you have to watch out. As and how it breaches the resistances on the upside, the bullishness is going to increase. On the downside, I will only recommend you to sell at 3.2, expect 3.175, 3.15, 3.11, 3.075, 3.05, 3, 2.97. Till 2.97, natural gas is not bearish. Below 2.97, stay bearish for 2.8, 2.6 and lower levels. Coming week is going to remain pretty crucial. Keep a note of this. Be alert. It could give you a breakout. A move beyond 3.4, 3.6 should be taken up seriously. This could lead to the way for the next bull run here in natural gas for the next 3 months or more. Yes, it could hit and trade above 4 before December. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates. And join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading week ahead and a happy weekend. Thank you.